Came out this morning, I found my little buddies. Look at this, they're beautiful. There they are. Boyfriend and girlfriend. They live in my backyard. They're beautiful hawks. Whatever they are. Some type of hawk. But every morning, boy, I hear them. Every time he gets a little food or a snake or something, he calls for rah, rah, rah. He lets the whole neighborhood know. Come get the food for the little birdies. God, they're beautiful. I can't believe what a shot I got this morning. Beautiful shot. Look at that. All God's animals are beautiful. Look at that. Nature at its finest. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I want something spectacular to happen, you know? Something's gotta happen. Fly down and get something big or something, you know? Put it on YouTube and become a millionaire. Come on. Do something. Come on. They just sit up there and they wait, see if anything moves on the ground. And you're dead meat when the nighthawk swoops in and gets you. Look at that, beautiful. 7 minutes already I've been filming? No. Oh, 7 minutes of film. I gotta delete some stuff. Come on. Come on, do something. I'm gonna pause it in case something happens. I wanna have some film. Come on, boys and girls, let's play. Beautiful. Come on. I'm gonna pause it for a second. And the one is sleeping, I guess. The other one's keeping a good eye on me. Beautiful. Pose. Pose for Snapchat. Okay. Come on. Swoop down. Get a squirrel, get a bird, get a snake, a rat. Come on. Aren't you hungry this morning? Get some breakfast. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. I told you. Something's gonna happen. I told you. Here we go. He's calling for somebody. He's calling. Raising hell, buddy? You're waking up the neighborhood. Come on, do something. Beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go. I told you, something's gonna happen here. He's got something in his sights. Here we go. Let's see some combat. There you are. I see you over there. They separated for a reason. This guy's saying, hey, what the hell's going on here? Oh, he got something out of the tree. It was like a lizard. Wow. Well, 5 minutes of action. I got one over here and the other one's over there. I guess they're taking their mid-morning nap or something. They're not hunting. Oh, I'm liable to say goodbye here. Hmm.